Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Cursor, Windsurf, and Klein. And I will help you to decide which AI-powered development tool is best in 2025. So let's start with Cursor. It is a next-gen coding IDE built with AI capabilities at its core. Cursor helps you write, debug, refactor, and navigate code bases with support for GitHub, Copilot, and GPT-4. Windsurf, on the other hand, is a code-aware AI that focuses on workflow automation and refactoring at the repository level. It is more oriented towards scaling dev productivity across large teams. And lastly, Klein is an AI-first terminal assistant that can understand dev intent, manage CLI commands, and interact with code using natural language. So let's compare the three of them. Number 1, best use case. Cursor is for developers who want an AI-assisted VS Code experience, and Windsurf is great for teams managing large code bases and automation pipelines, while Klein is perfect for developers who live in the terminal and want intelligent CLI assistance. Number 2, AI capabilities. Cursor provides conversational AI in Editor that helps with bug fixes, code suggestions, and inline chat, while Windsurf shines in multi-repo tasks, mass refactors, and DevOps automations, while Klein responds to terminal tasks and can explain or execute scripts with AI understanding. Number 3, ease of use. Cursor feels like an enhanced VS Code, which is easy for solo devs, while Windsurf has a learning curve, but it brings enterprise-level dev acceleration, and Klein is intuitive if you're already familiar with the command line. Number 4, ideal user. You can choose Cursor for solo devs and general productivity, and you can use Windsurf for engineering leads and teams working on big projects. And you can pick Klein if you want to stay inside the terminal while being AI assisted. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.